Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Open Settings on your iPhone and scroll to Voice Memos to configure quality. Select Audio Quality and choose Lossless for best capture quality on modern devices. Voice Memos records in M4A for compressed files and in Lossless ALAC when selected. Position the iPhone screen toward the source to reduce reflections and handling noise. Use the built-in edit tools to trim, replace, and add markers after recording for quick, precise edits. Choose an external microphone for improved clarity when needed and confirm compatibility with Lightning or USB-C ports. Place the mic 6 to 12 inches from the sound source to achieve consistent levels and natural tone. Use a foam windscreen outdoors to cut wind noise and a small stand or clamp to keep the phone steady. Monitor levels visually in third-party apps to avoid clipping, and perform a quick test recording before the main take to confirm tone and plan your workflow before recording to save time during post-production. Use Voice Memos for quick captures and a dedicated app for multi-track sessions with adjustable sample rate settings. After recording, export as WAV or share the original M4A via AirDrop for desktop editing in your DAW. Label files clearly, save copies to iCloud Drive or files, and delete duplicates to manage storage. Always record a short reference tone or slate at the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.